Yes, I know you know. Put it here. And why did you shout? When you were sitting outside, we don't shout. Yeah? Why did you shout when you went to the beach? Yeah? Policeman will get you next time. And no ice cream. We don't shout when we go out, okay? That's something we don't do. Be good. Yes. Make sure you don't shout. You will go out with me next time, okay? Yeah? And not one bit shouting. And we won't go to a mall which is air conditioned. We'll go to a hot place. And you will not shout. You get that? Yes, sir. Good. And Monday is a weekday. Yes. Can you put it here? Can you put it here? Put some pictures from all. Yeah. यहाँ पे कोई problem नहीं होगा. It's the weather. But if you're feeling hot, can you just switch off the AC? Let him feel a little hot. We'll create that here also. क्योंकि किसी दिन ये आए और लाइट ना हो तो ये शॉट करने लगेगा. No. Sometimes it can be. Okay. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. I love the blue you're wearing. Yeah. Friday, Saturday, Sunday. We are going to play a game. Okay. Now. शर्ट नीचे कर ले भाई. ये उल्टी सीधे काम नहीं करते हैं. शर्ट भी ऊपर करते हैं. Yeah. Okay. Now. A lot of attempts. Can you give me Monday? Can you give me Monday? Can you give me Tuesday? Tuesday? Now, uthao. Yes. Just one more. Can you give me Wednesday? 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 Wednesday! Can you give me Thursday? Look carefully. Thursday. Yes. That's Thursday. Yeah? Can you give me Friday? Now, what you're going to do at home, we want him to learn the spelling. So, right now, what he's learned is not the entire thing. What he's learned is Tuesday, there's a mental picture, image, looks like this. Yeah. Okay, there is a U inside, right. S inside, okay? Yeah. Thursday also has, so that was pretty amazing that he's done both of these correctly. Right. Okay, whereas the chances were very high for making mistake because there's a edge here. Yeah. Okay. So what you will do is you will now write down when you say give me Tuesday. So there will be 4 strips of TUESDAY, TUSEDAY, SSDAY, TUSDAI. From there we will teach him that he picks up the right ones. After this, the next one will be wait. You will wait. Okay. Then we will cut these. We will not write so small. We will write really big, and then we cut SUNDAY. Wow. Like that. And then you say, can you make Tuesday for me over here? And then you will have the blue tag at the back side. So then he picks up a T, a U, a E, S. That's when you know he knows it. Okay. Here you go. Now, give me Saturday. Look carefully. Saturday. See, they are both S. Here he made a mistake. Saturday. Yeah. Give me Sunday. Sunday. Give me Sunday. Yeah, there's the only one. So this is Sunday. Yeah. Or I can still put 2 of those and say, give me Sunday. Look carefully. Sunday. SUNDAY. That is Sunday. Also, the minute you realize that he's giving you a tantrum and you figure out the reason, you put the words in his mouth. Say no crying, you tell. You say, it is hot. Let's go home. I don't like it. Okay, that means. So the next time, instead of a tantrum, what he's gonna do is he's gonna talk. Yeah. Now, tell me what is this? No, no W. Say January. Yes. हाँ पूरा पूरा बोलना है. Marani. March. No. March. March. Yes. April. Shabash. May. Okay. Then June. Then नहीं जोर से बोलो. July. Yes. August. शाबाश. पूरा बोलो. Say the full thing. September. No. September. October. Yeah. No. November. December. Say. Okay. Now what we're going to do is we're going to see if we know. Yeah. Wow, you're doing so good. And AC is off. It is getting hot and it is okay. Okay? We will not shout. That's fine. Sometimes it can be hot. It's okay. Yeah, I know what's coming. Okay, now this requires a lot of scanning. Okay, because I've not put them in order. So let's see. January. February. उठाओ नीचे क्यों गिरा? Pick it up. Give it. You have to pull it out gently. March. Look carefully. March. It's very high with sight reading. I should start them on the sight reading. March. April. Yeah. Priyanka, sight reading kits दे दो बेटा. April. हाँ, put. April, put. Yeah. Yes. Then May. June. After June is June. I'm getting too greedy. After June is July. Okay. Because you know it's in a circle, so just like this.
Oh, that's right.
Okay. After July is what is that? Zosh, loudly. August. Put it. August. After August is September. After August is put it. September. After September is जोर से बोलो loudly. October. Say October. After October is so pick it up and say loudly, not November. Say the full thing. November. Say so put it. After November is December. He's sight reading all the names. Okay. What is today's month? What month is it? What month is it? What month? No. What month is it? What is the month now? Month now is? Give it to me. Yes. Thank you. It's really fast.
Now he's done some things which we have not done in years. 1 week. Sure.
You do what you did. So, June, the 6th month comes here. It is June. It It is the 6th month of
Harsh, give me marker.
Take it out quickly on your own.
Marker.
Take out Javi. We don't have time. Take it out.
Very nicely.
No, we're not getting distracted. We're not wasting time. Come on. Come on. It is the number is 6. 6. Yes. Good. That's a nice 6 you have. Very good. Yeah, I know. Okay. First is over. Second, over. Third, gone. Fourth, finished. Fifth, finished. Sixth, finished. Seventh, finished. Eighth, finished. Ninth, finished. 10th, finished. Cut it nicely, na yaar. 11th, finished. 12th, finished. 13th, gone. 14th, over. 15th is finished. 16th, over. 17th, finished. 18th, finished. 19th, finished. 20th, finished. 21st, finished. Today's what? 22nd, 23rd. I think 23rd day. Today's 23rd.
23rd.
22nd, finished. Today is 23. Yes? Month is going to end soon. Write down here date. 23. 23. Come on. Come on. Quickly, quickly, quickly. And you're doing very good. And you're sitting in hot. And I really like it. Very nice. I appreciate. 23. 23. 23. What? What kind of clue is this? Yeah, 23. Month is 6. Month is 6. 23. 6. 25. Year is 25. Right? 25. Write it 2. Up 2. Please go down. Thank you. 2. Make a 2. Bus stop. Yeah. 25. 5. 5. 20. 5. What kind of 5 is this? Make a nice 5. 25. Make it again. 25. 23, 6, 25. Yeah? Okay. Our speed has also increased. Yeah?
We do it at night also, ma'am, so that he understands that the day is finished.
Yeah. It is. It is. Day is. What is the day today? Day is Monday. Okay. Month is June. Month is June. Yeah. Now date is 23. Right down. Make a 2, make a 3. 20. 23. हाथ नीचे. Preempt. Immediate preempt. Before it could even go somewhere. ये Starbucks में करते हैं ना तो फिर ये वहाँ पे बवाल नहीं होता. Anyway, we'll go one time. 23. लोकल बस में चढ़ा उसको।
हाँ दिल्ली क्यों
बिना
चांदनी चौक ले जाओगे
बिना वो किए बस में चढ़ गया। Get me these pictures so that I can start. You read this one time and then
I'll do it.
okay. Yeah, as and when you do this, then I will. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I am going to hide these numbers and I want to see if he knows these numbers.
Okay.
प्रियंका मेरे को ना वो दे दो छोटे वाले नंबर्स, कलरफुल वाले। ये बाद में मिटा लेना ना। हाँ, टाइम वेस्ट नहीं है, उसके लिए मैं इसको नहीं करते हूँ। What are we going to do? Match. Okay. दे दो नंबर जल्दी से। It's getting hot and you are not going to cry. Okay? Good going. Sometimes we go to a place, it is hot and it is okay. When you go to the beach, it is hot, it is okay. There is no need to cry. Okay? Okay? Yeah, and no hitting yourself because it's hot. That's fine. Yeah? Very nice waiting. Thank you. Thank you. I like it. You're waiting very nicely. Okay? Always. Now, here. What are you going to do? Please give it to me immediately. Yeah. Look. You have to tell me the number of the month. Okay? Number of the month. We are seeing if he actually is learning the date.
Yeah.
Okay? What is the first month? First is J. Yes, pick it up, put it here. Yeah. Number of January is which one? Which one? Number of January is January. Correct? Pick. Number of January is 1. Very good. Yay! I know it is hot. You are looking there. No electricity. There is no AC. It is okay. It is? Yeah. Very empty.
Yeah, इसमें 11, 12 नहीं
है?
10 तक है।
तो अच्छा एक और 1 और 2 है क्या? 1 1 हो जाएगा क्या? वैसा हो जाएगा तो ठीक है, नहीं तो फिर ये बड़े वाले ले लेंगे। Now, what is the second month? What is the second month after January? After January? Pick which one? Okay, pick it up. After January is February. February's number is he's surprising me.
Me too.
Yeah. February's number is 2. So we are ensuring that he knows the date. Now he will be writing the date meaningfully. Now when we teach him how to write, we are sorted with this goal. After February is January, February, then January, February, then say loudly. No. March. Say. Show me where is March. March. Where is March? Find out. Correct. Pick. March. March number is. Show me what is the number of March. March number is. January 1, February 2, March. Yeah. Good. Correct. March number is 3. Yeah. After March comes. Yeah. Say loudly, but. Pick. Where is April? Look and pick. Look and pick. It's still not very clear, but we need practice. April. Yeah. Look and pick. April. Where is April? April. April. That is not April. April. Okay, he picked up because it starts with A. April. This one. So he needs practice before he can. Yeah. April number is. April number is. April number is. January 1. February 2. March 3. April number is. Yes. Pick it up. April number is 4. Correct. April is the 4th month of the year. Now, after April, January, February, March, April. January, February, March, April. January, February, March, April. Then, pick. Where is May? Where is May? Look, where is May? Number of May is? What is the number of May? Number of May is? Yes, put it here. All of these months are over now. Yeah, May 5. After
May 12.
Huh?
May 12.
Hand down. Now the AC is working. There is no anger. October. Say October. Pick October. Yeah, pick October. Put October. Number of October is. September is 9. October is. Yeah. October is 10. Very good. October number is 10. Yeah. That's it. Say loudly. 11. And that is? Say loudly. 12. Yes. Now. Okay. Yeah. After October is? Give me another number here, double digit. Any double digit will do. Yeah. Now, after October is? Say the whole thing. November. Say. That's how you speak loudly. Pick it up. Put it. After October is November. Number of November is? October is 10. November is? Which one out of here? No. October, November. 10. 11. Correct. After October is November. November number is 11. Say. Yes. You know when June will finish, we'll start picking up July. That number is 7 here when we do the date. Okay. So November is 11. Okay. After November comes what? After November comes what? After November comes? Yes, correct. Pick it up. Yes, and you're not going to get angry. There is nothing to get angry. AC is working. Yes? Yes? Now say, I am happy. Yeah. Always make him, because then his brain is like, I'm happy. I can't be. Yes. Because, and it will also tell you about the tantrum. If he is on the verge of tantrum, he never say I'm happy.
Yes.
So make him say. So the brain gets the, okay, happy, there. I have to be happy. So it changes. Yeah. December number is? Correct. Pick it up. Say. December number is? Say loudly. 12. Yes. At home, what you will do is you will write down Jan Feb and you will, so you will do match the following. Okay. Yeah. Very good. Clapping. Let's clap. job. Yeah, I like it.